Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Today, learn with me how to remove and how I did my tilt screen on this Tesla Model 3 that I have. So let's go ahead and let me show you how I learned, and maybe you can learn from this on how to put this tilt screen on your Model 3 or Model Y. Here we go everyone, let's go. This is the product. Let's do a quick install. It's not really a DIY or anything like that, but let's just check it out. So comes with instruction, kind of useless. Tools I don't need. Platings. And this big piece over here. The holder bracket and the plastic covers. So, and two screws. It's probably like a thing over here. Oh yeah. Like basically covers. Let's go install it. First order of business, let's remove this right over here. It's a plastic piece actually. So once you pry this out, remove this sensor over here. Just a little tab and pull. This comes out. Let it dangle there. I think it's an AC sensor. Put that on the side. Take out those two 10mm bolts over there, one on each side, left and right. Take it out. One screw out. Take out the other one. Right over here. Let's go ahead and go to safety and power off the system. Power off. That way, you know, we don't do anything funky on it. The two bolt is out, I should say, and go ahead and let's pull this sucker out. Once you pull it out, just give it a little tug and unplug that. Let's see here. Unplug that clip in the back. Oh, before you unplug, go ahead and remove that T30 nuts right here. For the cover. The other one as well. Go ahead and unclip this white clip over here. I think you just have to press it and pull this side right here. There it is. Just leave it in there. And then there's a little tab right over here. Go ahead and unplug it. There's that little tab right there in the corner, almost in the middle. That's it. So just unclip that and put your screen. Oh, by the way, there's my protectors. Put your screen somewhere safe where you don't drop it or scratch it. There it is. And let's go ahead and actually, let's remove this first. So remember the position of this. So just like that. And don't throw all this stuff away in case you need to put your car back to stock. Put this on. If yours came with this thing really tight, just loosen up the bolt a little bit so you can rotate it. Just like that. Because this one came really tight, so I had to loosen that bolt up. So just go ahead and use the factory bolt that you removed earlier. Rotate this to actually access it, okay? And then put the other one as well when you're done with this side. Make sure that you don't tighten the other side, because if you do, you're gonna have a hard time putting the other bolt on. So once you put the other one on, go ahead and tighten the other side. You know what I mean? There you go. And then tighten. Now you can tighten the other side. Before you lock everything down, make sure this doesn't play, because if it plays, then it's gonna jiggle and wobble. There you go. Doesn't play, right? Once you tighten this piece right over here to the tension you don't want it too loose and too tight, so you can rotate your screen a lot better without jiggling. It's pretty tight. Feels good. There's no wobble. Go ahead and put the cover right over here. And just jiggle your way around this little piece right here on the bottom, because it doesn't go in right away. So just jiggle it. Actually, just remove this for now. And put this piece right here. Just like that. until you find your spot, and just jiggle it back. There you go. It's on here. I wonder what this spacer is for. I ended up removing it because it's flush here anyway. I guess my carbon dash kind of flushed everything. So anyway, took that out. Now that it's in there, there's no special way to put it in. Just see if you just put it in there and clip it. There you go. So go ahead and put this piece right here and put everything back carefully. I'm gonna need my two hands again. Actually, should be okay. So put that in. There you go, plugged in. And put the cap back on so you don't accidentally I think this cap right here is, oh, sorry about the camera. I wasn't looking at the video because I was putting this on. Okay, that's on. And I think that's about it. Let's put this cover back on. Oh, sorry again with the camera. So that's in. Okay, let's put this back on. The position of the screw, see that little notch in the middle of the screen? Make sure you lift it up a little bit and push down the screw. That way it'll go in, and go ahead and tighten them. Once you tighten them both, go ahead and put this guy right. Actually, let's put this last. I'm gonna put this last. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount it. The bolt that comes with it, once you insert it, it's gonna take some time for you to adjust this, so just push it in there. My screen is on screen cleaning mode from earlier. I know I said shut it down, but it turned on, so I put it to screen cleaning mode. Let's go ahead and put this back on. All right, so I went ahead and tightened both nuts. So basically I did all this without bending down or anything, just sitting in my passenger or driver's side. Actually driver's side. So here it is, everyone. It's dusty now. I'm gonna have to clean it up momentarily. It's still in the cleaning mode. Look at that. It actually tilts. It's actually facing me. Look at all my oily hand from anti-glare. That's the issue with anti-glare, is that. So let's go ahead and hold this down. Go ahead and put this thing back on here with this little plate adapter. So this thing came with another adapter, like a plate like this, but it might be for the newer ones. Go ahead and put it in. Might have a little struggle putting this thing on because the clips looks weird. Anyway. So if your screen is frozen, don't be alarmed. Just hold these two buttons right here and reboot the computer. All right, everyone, it is on the car. Now time to do a cleanup. And I like it. It's actually really cool. I wish it tilts a little bit down, but see how there's a glare right there? So now if I were to tilt it towards me, bam, there you go. It helps a little bit, everyone. 20 minutes of your time, that's how long it took me to install this. Well, exception of videoing. So hope it helps you. If you want to do it yourself, don't be intimidated. It's very easy to do. Just take your time with it. And that is the glare, everyone. See how I can actually see it a lot better. I wanted to add, when it's tilt, I'm about 5'11". You can see that's my leg room. When it's tilted towards you more, and it sits a little bit lower than the factory. So yeah, quite happy with it. All right, everyone, please subscribe, help me out on my channel. More car projects to come. This is just one of my car projects. I have other car projects as well. This is my daily ride. So thanks for watching. Until next time, please subscribe. God bless, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you, everyone. Take care.